Do you feel stressed due to the extended working hours while working from home? Do you feel fatigued of attending all these virtual online meetings where all you can see in front of your screen is a series of tiles with only pictures and letters? Do you feel bored of not being able to meet your near and dear ones physically? Friends, dear Toastmasters, and guests, I feel the same. Having gone through all this experience over the last 1 year, I somehow felt the solution is going to be complex. But no, do you want to know what it was? Let's find out. The first step is to slow down. In this fast paced world, it is very important to understand the importance of taking a break now and then. How do I do this? It's very simple. Sometimes just go on offline mode by switching off my internet connection. Social media platforms are one of the biggest source of distraction to our mental peace. This constant notification popping up on our screen, and with it, the constant urge to check the activity going on in the groups. Over a period of time, it turns into an addiction. Digital detox is the process of training our mind to ignore all the sorts of instant gratification which it craves for. Now that I have put my phone aside, what to do? Pick up a book and start reading. Reading a book helps us to fill the void and also stimulates our neural centers. After all, our mind also needs some exercise. It also gives us the much needed break to think about how things have been and ways to improve upon them. Maybe once in a week to start with. Curious to know what is the book which I'm reading? A book of simple living by Ruskin Bond. It's really an inspiration to see how we can lead a simple life by drawing examples from the nature and the world around us. As you know, if it's simple, it's wonderful. For the next step, let me ask you a very simple question. How do you start your day? If it's not with exercise and meditation, I would urge you to start thinking about it. Ever since I started exercising and meditation, I could see a drastic difference in the way I think and I feel. Not only does it keep us healthy and fit, also gives us immense sense of satisfaction and mental clarity. What can be a better way to start your day? If you're really thinking you need to buy some dumbbells and a treadmill to do some really intense set of exercise and build your body, let me suggest you something very simple. Walk at Home by Leslie Sampson. It's a series of really simple YouTube videos and do it yourself exercise to start your day for all age groups. If you're wondering whether I could really manage to fit in all the steps in my daily routine, to answer it, let me take you to the third step and the most important of all the steps, waking up early in the morning. Initially, it can be a bit difficult when our biological clock is still getting adjusted to the daily routine. But once it does, it will bring about a huge difference. Waking up early in the morning gives us those additional few hours when the world around us is still calm, quiet, and asleep. We can focus all our energies on exercise, meditation, and self reflection. Waking up early in the morning is related to going to sleep early, which is again dependent on the requirement of sleep quota, which varies across individuals. If you're wondering why it varies across individuals, that will take you to the next step, which is having the right food habits. The kind of food we eat defines our sleep quota. If we include a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits in our daily diet, our sleep quota comes down drastically and the number of productive hours increases. What? What is my sleep quota? It's 6 hours. Now, the last but not the least step. Keep in touch with your friends and family members and check for their well being as frequently as possible. Who knows? They might be going through some tough times, and a few hours of your time can make all the difference, bringing about positive change in their life and to start afresh. Please feel free to share the steps which I've just mentioned with all of them. Let's take a quick recap of all the steps. Take a break as frequently as possible. Wake up early in the morning, exercise regularly, eat right, and keep in touch with your friends and family members. Remember all the steps? How to remember all the steps? Remember my speech title? It's TWEEK. Do try out all the steps and share your feedback and suggestions in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you have not done it already. Link is in the chat box. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.